Hello everyone, let's review the setup first. After we flagged VIRT Financial, ticker VIRT, near the lows at around $49 on May 28th, the stock started to stabilize and rebound. Over the past two trading sessions, it has bounced more than 6% from the low to around $51.55. That move validated our thesis. This leading quant trading and market making name was setting up for an oversold rebound. Fundamentally, the Q1 2026 results released on April 29th were extremely strong. Revenue came in at $1.095 billion, up 30% year on year and beating the expectations by 78.5%. The net income reached $747 million, up 82.8% with a net margin of 31.6%, and the adjusted net trading income hit $787 million, up 58.2%, while the average daily adjusted net trading income reached a company record of $12.9 million. The adjusted EBITDA was $521 million with a margin of 66.2%, and the adjusted EPS hit an all-time high of $2.24. Over the past 7 months, the company added more than $500 million in trading capital, delivered a 107% return on the invested capital, and the execution services business has now grown for 8 straight quarters. But management also made one thing very clear. The earnings are highly dependent on the market conditions, and the volatility is a part of the business model. Technically, the stock around $51.55 is still being capped by the 20-day exponential moving average. That EMA is acting as a clear resistance, so a high volume breakout is needed to confirm the rebound. My conclusion is simple. A record quarter, a low P/E of around 8.3 times, and a 1.95 divided yield give VRT a decent margin of safety, but the current trading revenue is closely tied to the market volatility, so the sustainability of the earnings still need to be watched. For those already holding, I would tighten the stop loss to around $48, just below the 28 May low. And if the stock breaks above $51 on the strong volume, that could be a stage add-on signal. But if it breaks below $48, I would cut the position and step aside. On the upside, the first target is $55 to $56 near the 52-week high zone, with 19 out of 23 analysts rating the stock a buy, and the consensus target being on $65.72. And this is a solid volatility-driven alpha setup, but not a YOLO trade.